Whether you're trying to up your graphic design game or you need to doctor a document for a ninja mission, you may need to digitally cut out an image. I'm going to show you how. Let's go.
Like badass skills and tactics? Subscribe and hit the bell.
Alright, so the first thing we're going to do is open up the app that we are going to edit our image in. I just searched for a free app through the App Store and I found Photo Image Editor Pixel Style. So I'll be using that, but basically the techniques we use are going to be the same regardless of which app you use. So to start this one off, we're going to click this Create button here. And this will bring up the window that we're working in. Next, we'll click on File, Open, and bring in the image that we want to cut out. So here we go. We'll go ahead and cut an image of myself out, making the green area behind me transparent. So we'll click on this rectangle with the circular dots on it, and pick this polygonal lasso tool. So I'm going to zoom in just a little bit and start at the bottom here, and we're going to make our first click. So now we're going to go around the body, clicking at each point that we want to have some definition to. I try to click as close to the line as possible or just inside the clothing in order to get rid of the background. If we want to get closer detail, just zoom in a little bit so we can work the edges a little bit finer. And so I feel like this takes a little bit of time, but in reality, I'm actually cutting out my image here in like less than 5 minutes. So it's a little tedious just because you have to pay attention to detail on the edges, but it really isn't that bad. Just a little bit of patience and you'll be able to get a pretty good cutout of the image you're working on. This keeps zooming in on me. No big deal. Just jump back down and zoom back out. Okay, now I will say that one thing is if you do make a mistake, if you click out of the area that you want, you will have to start over. Since we haven't finalized anything on this, it's not going to save these clicks up until this point for us if we make a mistake. So you do want to go all the way around before stopping the app or clicking out or anything. You got to do it in one sitting. So now that our image is outlined, we go ahead and click on the initial dot that we made. This will give us the area that it's going to cut out. So once we have the area outlined, we're going to go up to Select and hit Inverse and then Command X. And this will delete our background. So now we have this image. From here we're going to save this. We'll call it Michael Cutout. And we want to save this as a ping file. So I'm going to adjust that there, come down here, select ping, and then save. Now we'll go to a website that we can edit that image in for like a YouTube thumbnail or for a flyer or anything else that it is we want to do. I'm going to go ahead and take this, make a copy so I already have my background in there. Cut image out. And we'll do the same thing here. Cut image out. Widen this. Go ahead and lay this back. That looks good. We'll go ahead and take out this old image and bring in the image that we just worked on. And here it is with the transparent background. So we'll go ahead and bring this up to the right size. Let's go ahead and change this text layout a little bit. And I actually want to make myself even a little bit bigger and get rid of some of the waste there on the bottom. And boom. So there we have it. The background is cut out. You can't see any of the green that was on there earlier. And this will be our final image. Alright, I hope that was easy to understand, and I hope you're able to take something away from it. Be sure to hit that like button, and if you haven't subscribed yet, I'd love to be a part of your journey, so please do. Until next time, stay badass.